Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan, welcome to this video, guys. Right, so we are doing Muta'lliqat in our Tarkib series, I'rab series. So the one that we're going to be doing today is this one. So جاء الأخ من London. جاء الأخ من London. So how are we now going to understand this? So here, if you notice, you have جاء الأخ. So الأخ is the fa'il, right? So let's say جاء is the fi'il, الأخ is the fa'il. Okay. Now you got min over here now. So how do we deal with min? So there's two possibilities of how we're going to deal with min. So one possibility of min is that we're going to say min is muta'alliq to ja'a. That's probably the one that's straightforward, the one that comes to your mind and you're thinking to yourself, yeah, this is it. So ja'a al-akhu min London. So this basically means that the brother came from London, right? So let's say, for instance, this is the city that you're in, and this is the city of London. So what happened is the brother has actually come from London. Yeah, so he's actually traveled from London. So he's not in your city, he's actually come from London. So جاء الأخ من London, right? So this is muta'alliq to جاء. That's one possibility. The other possibility is this, is if we make min muta'alliq to akh. Now we can't make it directly muta'alliq to akh. What we have to do is we have to make it muta'alliq to athabit, right? So athabit, it becomes the sifa of akh, right? So then this is basically describing the akh. So you're basically saying this. So let's say this is you, and this is London. So the brother from London came. That's how you translate it. The brother from London came. So you see there's two translations here now. So the first one tells you exactly where he actually came from. The second one doesn't tell you where he came from. He could have come from, let's say, I don't know, Manchester. Yeah, he could have come from Manchester, but he's actually originally from London. Yeah, so this is telling you that the brother that is from London, or who's from London, came. So these are the two differences, and like I said to you, you're going to figure this out as you go along, right? So the more you practice, the more you apply, the more you're going to become more familiar with this. Now, some of you guys have been asking me, can you do examples from the Quran? What I think is, for now, I think we need to focus on the easy examples so everyone is understanding how it works. And then when you move on to the Quran, because the Quran sometimes has some extra rules in there, or some extra words in there, it can become a bit difficult to focus on this rule. So I want students to focus on this rule so you can understand this clearly. Okay, so ja is the fi'l, al-akh is the fa'il, min is jar, and London is majroor, and then jar majroor is either muta'alliq to ja'a or it's muta'alliq to thabit, which is the sifa, the adjective of akh. Alright guys, jazakallah khair. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, and consider becoming a patron, and you can support this channel and help me make more videos like this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.